Hi, this is Dr. Scott Boden of the Hair Restoration Center of Connecticut, and I'd like to speak with you today about eyebrow transplantation. There are many reasons why people lose their eyebrows. It's important to do a medical evaluation, but the most common reason for eyebrow thinning or eyebrow loss is hereditary. Also, very commonly, patients overpluck or have overplucked their eyebrows, and unfortunately those eyebrows may not come back. And we look into medical reasons for eyebrow loss, such as underactive thyroid. The patient I'd like to present today is a woman named Nadia. She overplucked her eyebrows when she was a younger woman. She subsequently had an eyebrow tattoo to provide an appearance of thicker eyebrows, but she wasn't satisfied with that. What we did was provided eyebrow transplantation, which involves taking the hair from the back of the head and dividing them carefully one by one and reimplanting them into the eyebrows. It's done in such a way as to create an appearance of greatest density in the center of the brow. So the eyebrow angulation is very important, the direction of hair growth is very important, and cosmetically, the ultimate goal is to create a natural appearance.
I'm a little swollen, but it's really not too bad at all. This is expected for the next 7 days, but all in all, I think it looks really good. Exactly the shape and style I was looking for, and it doesn't hurt at all. I'm pretty numb, so I'm excited for the results.
The eyebrows, of course, provide an upper frame for the eyes, and it's very important that we create a natural appearance so that when you meet someone, they look you in the eye and not drawn to your eyebrows. So for women and also for men that are self-conscious because they've had injury to the eyebrow or overplucking or just hereditary loss, they should come to seek a qualified professional, and we can discuss potential permanent solutions for eyebrow hair loss.
So it's been a year since my eyebrow transplant, and I definitely feel like I look like a completely different person. Actually, I feel like I look like how I'm supposed to look. Before I messed up my eyebrows and over-tweezed them, but almost pretty much I'd say 99% of the hair that was put in has stayed, and pretty much I feel like I don't even need to wear makeup on them anymore, on my eyebrows. I did have a tattoo, but I feel like the tattoo never really made it look natural. I think that having the hair has been life-changing for me because I feel like I look normal now, and I only wish I had done it sooner. It looks beautiful. So Dr. Boden is the best. We'll definitely make sure you're happy. I wouldn't recommend going anywhere else. And yeah, I think he will make sure you're happy when you leave.